What's up, world? You know what this is, man. Fat Boy, Yankee Cat Brimlow. You already know. Just, I'm saying, it's like get y'all up to date, man. What's going on? Got a mixtape coming out in November called Confessions of a Misfit. Only got a couple features on there, some of my niggas. Shout out to the homie Trey Son. He on that thing. Shout out to nigga High Will School be on that thing. CEO Believe. My nigga Dub, he on that thing too. You know what I mean? Production's crazy. Shout out to nigga Caliber, you know what I'm saying? For that road to 1,000,000. That shit gonna fuck y'all up, you know what I'm saying? But this right here, man, so let y'all niggas know that, like, I really do this shit. I've been doing this shit since I was like 15. Shout out to my nigga Gene. He know what it is, man. Niggas from around the way, they know what it is. Shout out to everybody around the way, too, man. Old school around the way, new school, don't even matter. We in this bitch, nigga. GHS, man. Let's run this shit, man. Let's go. We get mode real quick on y'all niggas, though. Yeah, I'm feeling like a boss. Yeah, running forward, never backwards. Across the country or on the atlas. You see, the fact is, these niggas fear what they can comprehend. So they try to be friend, but really they don't want me win. Who is them? Y'all niggas. See the rise like Sam Rothstein. The pistols, the gun, they tryna shoot down the dream. That's why a nigga like me barely even sleep. I'm on my GRIND like Bob Burquist on skateboard Tony. Park, let the weed spark. Pour me another shot of that CRI. Beat my ditty by. Swabby on 100 top. My ex told me she love me not. So for love, I got your feet like I ain't wearing socks. It's just a day in the life of this fat nigga. Smoking weed, getting money, fucking bad women. Get minding my business. When it all way down, I lift up, nigga. What? Physical fitness. I'm a heavyweight. Mark Henry on them niggas. Rather have a penny than a nickel over Abe Lincoln. That flew up your head. Them boys ain't thinking. Well, it's okay. I'm here for a reason. Church on the move, and I'm the fucking deacon. GHS, what? You see that shit peeking? Hustle stones. Yeah. Hustle stones.